It's your boy Original Riot, as always, and promised on this beautiful channel. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean one of the most beautiful machines ever, the revolver, as I have nothing better to do with my life. So, first of all, what you'll need to clean a revolver, or the basic as I have right now. You're going to need your lubricating oil. Hops is a pretty good brand. Your ramming rod with your ramming rod tip. I have a special brass.
Hey Riot, are you the owner of this gun?
No,
Okay.
I do not condone gun violence. And you're gonna need your cleaning pads as to wipe away your excess oil and all that nasty stuff you don't want on your fingers. So that's the basic utensils you'll need.
Hey Riot, do I need protection?
Yes, you'll need protection. Your boys brought protection to this fight. Okay, you honestly don't need all this. Just don't do something stupid, okay? That's not even gonna help you. So, now that you know you need protection, you take this piece out of your revolver, or this style I have, and then you pull and struggle with everything else in life, and you take your barrel out, then your cylinder, then you're left with the handle, your firing piece, and the thing that the cylinder goes on. So first thing you might want to start cleaning is your barrel, as it's probably the easiest piece and most sturdy piece. As if you just shot your gun, it's going to have whatever kind of powder you're using. This is a black powder pistol. It's going to have all that on the inside, and that's going to be nasty. It might corrode your gun, and it's just not safe. You want to clean your gun every time you use it. So you get your ramming rod, and you can start from the back or the front. I prefer the back, as this is how you can hold it. You just push it in, and it will move with the inside of the barrel, as this one has rifling on the inside and this one has a spindle on the inside of this, so it allows it to spin with the rifling, and you can just get it nice and cleaned of all that powder and corrosion. And you want to make sure you have it nice and clean and hot. Okay, since I haven't shot this, I don't need to clean it that much, but I would recommend going back and forth at least maybe 30 times and then checking the inside of your rifle, as you want it clean enough to eat out of. But you can't eat out of this because this is protection right here. And you could also get a paper towel and just put on the end of your ramming rod and put that through with, you won't need lubricant on the inside of your barrel, but you can put extra cleaner on there if you have your specialty guns. Just put a rag on the front of your gun, well, not on the front of your gun, on the front of your ramming rod, dip it in the cleaner, and then you just insert it in, take it out, and if it's still all dirty and black, then you know you need to continue cleaning your gun. So now this part has practically been done. I'm going to clean the inside of the cylinder with it, as there could be a little bit of debris with it because it is a ball that we're firing out of here. It's not like an actual, whatever you call them, the bullets in the casings. It doesn't use that. This is a black powder. There we go. Okay, now the last one. Don't get stuck. Just yes. Okay. So now this has been thoroughly cleaned. This has been cleaned. This doesn't need to get cleaned because it hasn't. This doesn't deal with the actual gases of the pistol. But now you're going to want to clean all your moving parts, like this right here that moves with the piston, and this bearing that allows it to slide.
Hey Riot, what does that do?
Okay, this is the ramming rod that whenever you load your pistol, this goes on here. It if you can see it, it rams the ball inside with the powder, so it's further enough back and it will actually work.
Cool.
So you get your good brand gun oil, top notch. It might leak. This one did. And then you just put some on there, not a lot. You don't want to use all your gun oil. You're going to need to clean it again if you shoot it. And you can just let it sit for a while, get in there.
You get it all greasy. Oh, yeah.
This ain't grease, it's oil.
Oil, grease, it's practically the same thing.
So then you get
They're both liquids.
your absorbent piece of cloth, and you just clean it. And if your cloth comes out all dirty and black, then you want to make sure you do it again. This one's coming out brown because the oil we're using turns it brown. So we know our gun's all clean in this part. So now this is all good. You can set this to the side. Now this, we're also going to want some oil on it because this spins with this. We set it on there, we pull the hammer back, it spins the barrel. So this on the inside is going to need to get cleaned, and it's going to want some oil on it. And like I said, you can get your thing right here, put it on the inside, get it nice and cleaned. Boom! Look at that. That's all dirt on the inside of that. You don't want that there. Removal of the day. And now the inside of this has been thoroughly cleaned. We're still on to the next step. We want to oil this piece right here, which would be this screw right here. And we also want to do the trigger and this piece as it spins on here. Then you get your hops again. You just yoink on there, put a little bit on the rod, get another cleaning towel.
Hey Riot,
Debate
what if you
social.
put too much grease or oil on the gun?
The more grease the better, my boy. Oil, I mean.
No, but does that affect the gun in any way?
If you have too much and you leave it on there, then that could be bad, but you're safe and sorry.
By the way, guys, I'm also learning stuff while he's doing this too.
Just wipe down places that you put it on. You don't want too much sitting on there, as that could cause rust, depending on what type of metal your gun's made out of, or the type of oil you are using. You know what? Screw it. I'm done trying to put this. My dad can finish it. I cleaned it for him, so. Alright, after the excruciating 3 minutes of me trying to put the slide in that holds the barrel in there, I'm just going to say Sukablia and let my dad do that. Because just buy a pistol that, you know, slidey, not this. This is cancer right here. Yes. Here. Slidey. This thing is easy.
It's also an airsoft pistol.
Look how easy that was.
It's also an airsoft pistol.
Yes, you said that. That was easy. Okay, so I hope you guys liked my excruciating pain of me trying to clean this very old revolver that is probably older than everybody in my channel's name combined or age.
That made sense.
Yes, it makes less sense than this guy. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed that, like, comment, and subscribe to me. And Cod's different usernames is probably gonna input his, you know, his name on the bottom so you can subscribe to him.
I'm just gonna put it all over all over your face right now. It's just all over your face right now.
Yo, this thing actually stands.
Bro.
So like, comment, subscribe to this dude right here.
Look at those legs.
Yo.
That
Okay.
noise.
Back to this beauty. Okay.
Outro number 3. This is a. I'm not gonna edit this part out. This is a common thing on his last video. That his first video he filmed. We did the first take. He did
5.
like no, it was like 7 outros. He did 7 outros. So yeah.
Well, you went to my legs. Are you staring at them?
There we go. End the video. End the video.
See you guys in the next video.